Morning everybody, here from Cairo, Egypt. Your host is Haitham Ali and I am an aviation technical instructor. Welcome again to my aviation training solution for today. You will get easy to remember, concrete and easy to implement aircraft aviation knowledge. So my topic for today, I'm going to give you some information regarding aircraft auxiliary power units or APUs. What are their function? What is the difference between them and aircraft main engines? And why they are in the aircraft. So, number one, auxiliary power units are there for supplying aircraft or allowing the aircraft to be independent regarding pneumatic and electric sources. So, if the aircraft is on ground, auxiliary power units are on. It will supply aircraft electrical network and bleed demand. So the aircraft will be on ground independent from any ground service equipment. So if the aircraft are going to land in an airport with no ground service equipment, like electric ground service equipment or bleed ground service equipment, so the aircraft will be good. Number two, auxiliary power units are turboshaft engines. Turboshaft engines. In contrast with the aircraft main engines, they are turbofan engines. Its main rule is force thrust, but auxiliary power units, its main rule are a mechanical shaft power to drive a load compressor to give the aircraft its demand from pneumatic or from air. And the APU is a turboshaft engine to provide a shaft power to operate an accessory gearbox on which an electric generator are installed or is installed to provide the aircraft with an electric power source. So a difference between the APU and aircraft main engines, that the APU is a turboshaft engine for providing mechanical shaft power, for providing the aircraft with its electrical and pneumatic demand. But the aircraft main engines are turbofan engines, mainly force thrust, and if they are on, they will give the aircraft its demand from electric and pneumatic power. This is number two. What about number three? Auxiliary power units are having a different philosophy from main aircraft engines, which is an aircraft main engines are attended operation philosophy. So if you need to operate main aircraft engines, somebody need to be placed in the cockpit to monitor its operation always. Nobody can leave the cockpit while aircraft main engines are on. But auxiliary power units are unattended operation philosophy. So you can operate APUs and leave the cockpit and, for example, go to make a walk around. This is number three. APUs are unattended operations, but aircraft main engines are always need an attended operation. This will take us to number four. So, if an APU fire happen on ground, can APUs auto shut down and auto extinguished? Yes. This facility are always there for APUs. They are having an automatic shutdown philosophy and automatic fire bottle extinguish in a case of an APU fire on ground. But aircraft main engines cannot be auto shut down if a fire happen. So this is need always an attended operation. This is number four. Number five, a main difference between APUs and main aircraft engines, that most of auxiliary power units are placed in a very small volume inside the aircraft. So, for this sake, the auxiliary power unit compressors are mainly a centrifugal compressor. This is in contrast with main aircraft engines, which are always their compressors are axial compressors. So why APUs are having a centrifugal compressors? Because we are short in volume. So we need like one or a maximum of 2 stages of a compressor stages. So a centrifugal compressor stage is much better. It can develop a higher pressure ratio, and due to the volume of the APU engine inside the aircraft are small, so we need a small engine. So this is the main difference between APU and the main aircraft engines. Are always there compressor, a centrifugal one, but mainly aircraft engines are an axial compressor. So everybody, this is 5 main or concrete information regarding APU. APUs are always there for enhanced operation during flight, for a safety features during flight, and also on ground to allow the aircraft to be independent from ground equipment. Thank you, and always fly safely and maintain your aircraft safely, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your good listening, and goodbye.